Hi everyone, this is Liam with National Powersports Distributors, and today we'll be looking at this 2007 Triumph America. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or by going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. Scrolling down here, we can see that this bike has 3,823 miles, and we can also see that it passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We've measured the charging output at 14 volts. There's a new front tire, and the rear tire is measured at 6/30 seconds. One of our technicians took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, shifts, and handles properly. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor invested in it when we put it through our shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are some scratches on the front fender, along with some scratches on the mirror, and some scratches on the windshield. Included with this bike is one key, and it's been upgraded with a windshield, day lamps, an engine guard, an aftermarket exhaust, rider footboards, and a tank pouch. This bike has a clear title, and we've also purchased a Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is, without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.